Jared Vanderwerf here at MarineMax Dallas. Today we're going to show you a nice new used piece of inventory. We have a 2020 Mastercraft XT22. Alright, so on this XT22 I'm going to give you guys a list of my 5 favorite items. The first thing that we want to start with is this 6.0 ILMOR. This engine is going to be 370 plus horsepower. So for this size boat it's going to be a lot of horsepower. It's really going to get this boat up and on plane. You can pull as many surfers as you want, have as many people in the boat, and still have plenty of power. This is a great option. Alright, my second favorite feature on this XT22 is going to be the interior. Not only the color, this brown really pops. It's kind of got the King Ranch style feel to it, and it's also going to be a cool feel vinyl. So that way this boat, the interior temperature is going to stay 30% cooler than your average boat. Alright guys, my third favorite feature on this boat is going to be your bow. The seating up here is huge, and it's also got a slant to the front. Super comfortable. I would imagine you could at least have 4 people up here, maybe 5. A great separate conversation area. The bow is a big feature on this pickle fork design. Alright, item number 4, one of my favorite features, is an aftermarket add-on to this boat, but the previous owner had the windshield tinted. I really like how it brings this boat together because the hull is actually black, so that windshield being tinted really ties the whole boat together, just makes it look like a sleek boat. Okay, so my 5th favorite feature on this boat has to do with the trailer. This trailer does have the upgraded KMC black wheels on it. So we talk about the tinted windshield and the whole of this boat being black. These wheels really tie it all together. This is a super sexy boat. Thank you guys for checking out this 2020 XT22 with me. Those are the list of my 5 favorite items on the boat. This boat has 234 hours, low hour boat. Come check it out. A great way to get into the Mastercraft brand at a very reasonable price.